Here in Self-Worth channel, we believe that the secret to being present for others in your life is to work on yourself. By making changes to better yourself. Self-improvement not only helps you perform at your best but also improves your general welfare. Self-improvement advocates typically have higher self-esteem and are more resilient. Here are 5 things you may do to improve yourself at any time. Number 1. Define your objectives. Setting goals will assist you in organizing your aims. You can accomplish this by just making a list, or you can have fun and create a vision board using images from publications or the internet. Number 2. Embrace those who have your best interests at heart. There is a phrase that says, you are the sum of the individuals you spend the most time with. Do the folks you spend time with genuinely want what is best for you and your life? They ought to support the person you wish to become. Number 3. Examine what isn't working and break the bad habits. Repeating the same action and hoping for a different outcome is the definition of insanity. Instead, spend some time considering what isn't working and making the necessary adjustments. Number 4. Learn a new skill or convert your hobby. This is an opportunity to do something you've always wanted to do while stepping outside your comfort zone. Progress is preferable to perfection. On the internet, people may constantly learn new talents for free. No excuses. Number 5. Increase your focus to better yourself. Focus is the ability to direct your attention where it should go without getting sidetracked by unpleasant feelings, external stimulation, or undesirable habits. So a key component of self-improvement is sharpening your concentration. Here are some self-improvement suggestions to help you become more focused. Take up meditation. Several credible scientific research claim that meditation can reduce tension and worry, encourage emotional well-being and increase self-awareness, increase duration of attention, reduce memory loss due to aging, create goodwill, assistance with addiction, boost sleep and pain management. There are many different meditation instructors, including Tara Brach and Joseph Goldstein. You might also take a look at meditation apps like Headspace. In conclusion, striving for personal growth on a daily basis can help you live a happier, more joyful life. Do you have any recommendations for self-improvement? Tell us in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.